In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder lessons in Skool Classroom. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Skool. This is the simplest way to get to the platform if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Skool link. You should see the familiar branding and be taken to the main site or the login screen. If you're ever unsure, double-check the URL before you sign in. Go ahead and log into your account. Use the credentials you normally use for Skool. If your workspace has extra security, complete any verification prompts. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage courses. You'll need to be an admin, owner, or have editing rights for the classroom you're working in. Once you're in, head to your community and open the Classroom area. You'll typically find Classroom in the main navigation inside that community. If you belong to multiple communities, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Next, select the specific course you want to organize. This takes you to the course outline, where your lessons are listed and, if applicable, grouped into folders. Take a moment to scan the current structure so you know exactly what you're moving and where you want it to land. To change the order of lessons within the course, click and hold on the lesson you'd like to move, then drag it to its new position. As you drag, watch for visual cues like a highlight or a line showing the drop target. When you see the spot you want, release your mouse or trackpad to place the lesson there. Give it a second to update and confirm the lesson is now in the correct position. If you have a long list, you can scroll while still holding the lesson to reach higher or lower sections. If you need to place a lesson inside a folder, use the three-dot icon next to that lesson and choose Change Folder. A menu or dialog will appear where you can pick the destination folder from a list. Select the correct folder, then click Save to apply the change. This is helpful when you want precise control and prefer using menus over dragging. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the lesson directly into a folder. Click and hold the lesson, move it over the folder name until it highlights, and then release. The lesson will be filed inside that folder instantly. Double-check the folder contents to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You've searched Skool, logged in, opened Classroom, selected your course, reordered lessons, and moved them into folders using either the menu or drag and drop. This quick cleanup makes your course easier to navigate for learners.